This winter, we asked COSI members to write down some of the things they have always wondered about. We received so many great questions and wonderings that in today's Science Now, I'm going to answer one of them. This question comes from Max. The question is, how do you make Velcro? We'll start with what Velcro is. Velcro has two different sides that seem to magically stick together, but it's not magic. One side of the Velcro, the softer feeling side, is really just a bunch of loops. And the other side is a bunch of tiny hooks. When you push it together, the hooks grab onto the loops and cause it to stick together. This hook and loop technology is an example of biomimicry, which is the process by which we mimic or copy what we see in nature to create new technologies. The inventor of Velcro, George de Mestral, was inspired in 1948 after a hunting trip with his dog. He found that there were burrs all over his dog's fur and his own pants, and they were really difficult to disentangle. Taking out his microscope, de Mestral looked at the burrs close up and found that they were just tiny little hooks that caught onto fabric and fur. It took him 7 years of experimentation to get it right, but in 1955 he was finally awarded a patent for his new invention, Velcro. So how is Velcro made? For the side with the loops, a tangle of fibers, usually nylon or polyester, is knitted or woven together. The other side, which is the hooks, is also made from that nylon or polyester. It is first woven together, creating a bunch of loops. These loops are then cut at an angle to create the hook-like shape. They might also be heated to help mold them into stiff hooks. Velcro is just one of many different examples of biomimicry used in technology today. If you could mimic something in nature to create a new technology, what would it be? If you like this video, remember to like, subscribe, and comment below. And for more information on COSI, Columbus, Ohio's Center of Science and Industry, visit cosi.org.